Hello, my dear students. In this video, I will be giving you the complete details about the indirect tax recorded classes. As you can see here, I have displayed it from our website. Guys, we have three validity plan, that is 30 days, 90 days and 180 days. You can choose as per your comfort, whichever is the validity period you want. And for each of these guys, as a part of launch offer, we have priced the classes as low as possible so that it is affordable for each and every student. Now coming to the coverage, the classes would be in English, guys, and the duration of the classes would be 98 hours, where I would have covered the complete syllabus along with the good number of questions and revision for each and every chapter. And whatever I would be using in the class are three set of books, guys. One is the provision book, revision book, and the last one is question bank. If you want to have a printed copy of provision book and revision book, you guys can order it on our website. Whereas for question bank, we will be providing soft copy along with the classes. So I will just show you like how are the books available, which are the different types of books available, guys. If you just select our books, indirect tax, I am selecting combo. Combo means which includes both provision book as well as the revision book. Guys, even books, we have tried to price it as low as possible so that any student can afford to get it. Yes, guys. So this is about the combo, that is the provision book and revision book of indirect taxes. If you just select it also, guys, you can see you will get the complete details along with sample PDFs. Means for around 8 to 10 pages for every book, we have provided the sample PDF so that you guys can have a look into it before placing the order. And you can also see number of pages for each and every book is mentioned here. Provision book would be black and white, guys, and the revision book would be colored book. Yes, likewise, guys, not only for indirect tax, we have books for all these subjects, that is whichever subject I teach: direct tax, indirect tax and costing. I will just display it here. You can see. So these are the books which are available with us. For costing, I call it as concept book and revision book. Whereas for taxation, I call it as provision book and revision book, guys. Whereas the question bank, soft copy would be provided. Printed copy is not available, guys. Yes. Now coming to the coverage part. What all I would be covering in class. This is a provision book, guys, which I would be using to explain each and every provision in the section order. And whatever is a part of your syllabus, everything I would be covering it, whether it is a simple topic or complicated topic, including the first introduction chapter. Sir, it is very basics. Will you be doing it in detail? Yes, guys. Each and everything which is a part of your syllabus, I will be doing it. And this is what the material I will be using to explain it in the class, guys. And one more important thing, guys, while explaining at the end, to simplify it, I will also be drawing various charts or tables, which I will make you guys to take down in the class. Then at the end of each and every chapter, I would be doing the revision from revision book, guys. Revision book would be completely the colored book. You can just have a look into it, which is just 90 pages. Guys, this will be very helpful, especially on the exam days for the students. You can just have a look here. First few pages, I've just given the section number in order of both CGST Act as well as IGST Act. Then from first chapter, guys, I'm just showing you a few pages so that you will have an idea, including images I have put, guys. Color also will have an impact here. Each and every color will have some impact, which I would have explained during my revision session. Yes, fine, sir. Then coming to the questions. Sir, will you be explaining only the provision and doing the revision, or will you be solving the questions? Guys, I will be solving good number of questions on each and every chapter. So you can just have a look here. This is a copy of my question bank. Guys, each and every chapter in my question bank will have two set of questions. First set of questions, I will be solving them in the class and I will make the students to take down each and every answer in their notebook. So this is the first set of questions. You can see I will try to cover the questions on each and every topic. Then once I am done with the questions, I have also put an additional questions which I have taken from past examination question papers and RTP, guys. And here I would have already given the solution for you so that students know exactly how do they present the answers in the exam as per ICI standard. And for each and every questions under additional questions, I would have also mentioned this question is from which attempt and for how many marks it was asked. You can just see here. I'm just scrolling it so that you guys will have a look into it, guys. Even RTP questions are covered. Yes, sir. Then one important thing which I will consider as a game changer for the student is USP, guys. That is your study planner. I would be providing this USP to give the complete details about what all videos I have covered for each and every chapter. You can see here along with the topic which I have covered for each and every video, the duration of it, so that it will help you guys to plan properly. Sir, how do I watch the videos and in what order will I watch? And I would suggest you guys, in whatever order I have done the class and arranged the videos, please try to watch the videos in the same order. Don't shuffle or don't change any sequence. Yes, sir. So you can just see, guys, I will just scroll down for each and every chapter what all I have covered. First provisions, then questions from question bank, then questions from ICI Metro also I would be covering. That is test your knowledge for each and every chapter I would be doing it, guys. So once I cover all 15 chapter of indirect tax, then I have also discussed question paper as a whole. I would have already discussed the question paper chapter wise, that is what are the questions asked from that chapter in the past exams. At the end, as a question paper also I have discussed so that students get an idea about the question paper pattern, guys. Sir, how the questions are asked, how the first question, second question, third question, where the choice would be there. One internal choice also you will be having. So that before going to the exam hall, you have a complete idea about how the questions will be asked in the exams, guys. Then I will also be covering RTP, whichever RTP I would have not covered it in the class in the question bank. Rest of them I have covered it here. And also MTP3 series I have covered in detail, guys, along with the detailed explanation. So the total duration of the class, including all this revision, is for 98 hours, guys. And if you guys can take a printout of it, that would be great. And as and when you complete each and every video or each and every chapter, you keep on marking it. The last two columns, I have left it for you guys. As there are two views, I have left two columns for you so that as and when you guys watch, you can just mark that tick. Yes, I am done with my job on the. And now, coming to the end, guys, see, if you guys can cover whatever I have done in the class, I can assure you that you will excel in the exam, guys. And I am not only making you prepared for intermediate exams to pass, but also for final. If you guys are aware, indirect tax paper is also there in final for 100 marks, guys. So through this journey, I will also be making you guys set for final level. Provisions or the law has to be learnt in the way it has to be learnt, guys. I know you guys will make a right choice. All the best from my side.